Are you manifesting your dream job? If yes, then watch this video because I am giving you the most powerful dream job affirmation that will help you manifest it. Are you ready for it? I'm sure you are.
If you are yet to subscribe to my channel, then subscribe now and press the bell icon to get all the latest update.
Hey, hello, awesome tribe. This is Awesome AJ, your mentor, guide, and coach in your personal transformation. And those of you who are new here, hi, I'm AJ. I'm a law of attraction coach, and I help people manifest their goals, desires, and dreams using the law of attraction and power of subconscious mind. Now, so many people from our awesome tribe has requested this video to share the affirmation for dream job. And if you are yet to go through one of my earlier video that I have created particularly on this topic, how to manifest your dream job using law of attraction. If you are yet to watch that video, then you should definitely check it out because there I have given the step-by-step process how to manifest your dream job. I believe you must be applying that process. Now, why we need to do some affirmation? Remember, affirmation is the easiest way to program your subconscious mind, strengthen your belief and raise your vibration. Because without strengthening your belief, without raising your vibration, without programming your subconscious mind, manifesting anything is not possible. And affirmation does this work beautifully. So when you are manifesting your dream job, the most powerful affirmation is, I am happily and joyfully manifesting my dream job. I am happily and joyfully manifesting my dream job. I am happily and joyfully manifesting my dream job. This should be the affirmation that you keep saying yourself so that you start having that belief that yes, you are manifesting it. Because many people are not manifesting their goals, desires and dreams, whether it's dream job or relationship or anything, because they are not able to believe that they can manifest it. And the same process works for other areas of life. You can modify the affirmation for relationship, for money, for health, for business success as well. But let me keep it focused on dream job in this video. So your powerful affirmation is, I am happily and joyfully manifesting my dream job. If you have already created what exactly your dream job is, then you can edit after this affirmation. So you can say, I'm happily and joyfully manifesting my dream job, and you say what exact dream job is for you so that you can create that impact. Now, what is the best time to do this affirmation? You can do this affirmation in the morning and at night or in the evening. But if you have some issues like you cannot do it because other people are there, you cannot do it at home because other people get disturbed or they will think you are crazy, then you can do it whenever you have time. Timing is secondary, execution or practicing is primary. Now, why so many people are doing affirmation but they are not getting result? Because their affirmation lack in energy and faith and beliefs. So that is why when you do this affirmation, you have to put energy, you have to feel it, you have to see it like you are already working in your dream job. So you have to create a vision and say it with energy and at least say it for 3 minutes continuously to build up that momentum, to build up that energy at least for 3 minutes. Because when you say it for 3 minutes, it creates so much of surge of energy in your mind, body and soul, and you start feeling that yes, 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 it's happening. If you just say it for once or twice, you won't able to generate that energy, and then you will wonder like, why affirmation is not working for me. See, thousands of people are going through my different programs, and every day they are manifesting so many things, including dream job. The difference between people who are manifesting and people who are not manifesting is that lack of faith, that low energy, that low vibration, and they are not able to do it with faith. So that is why when you do this affirmation, do it for at least 3 minutes and keep saying that I am happily and joyfully manifesting my dream job. And when you say that, you try to see yourself being in your dream job or being in that interview or getting that offer letter or receiving that congratulations. So create an image that will excite you and say it for 3 minutes and create magic. If you are enjoying my videos, give it a thumbs up. If you are yet to subscribe to my channel, then hit the subscribe button and then hit the bell icon so that you won't miss any notification. And if you are excited in manifesting your goals, desires and dreams, then you can join my Make Your Life Awesome WhatsApp program, because that is actually making so many people's life awesome. Thank you. This is Awesome AJ.